right into it, jumping into the tropics, talking about the Central Pacific side and the Eastern Pacific side. We have Hurricane Iona and Tropical Storm Keli, and 3 more trying to form right behind it, okay? Tsunami warnings has been all over Hawaii since last night, and now they're going into California. Well, they've been in California as well, and other places too, but it is still in place in California, okay? The Los Angeles area, the San Francisco area, the San Jose, California area, okay? There are still tsunami warnings out there, okay? Those waves can pick up huge and big, and I told you, even though those hurricanes was not, you know, going to be aiming towards Hawaii, those feeder bands can pick up, those waves can pick up. And of course, with that earthquake over in, Russia, it messed up the whole fault line down there. So you got to be aware when you have all these weather activities going on, there are things to be aware of, and they're still highlighting it. And I'm zooming in a little bit more for you, but this is the tsunami advisory into play, okay? Those waves can pick up huge over there, okay? So if you're in the California area, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Jose, all the areas that I'm highlighting right now, those bodies of water that you're by, those lakes, those oceans, those rivers, everything over there is in tsunami advisory, okay? We have 3 more tropical storms and hurricanes trying to form right below you, right by the Cabo San Lucas area, Mexico area. It's big over there, and you can see the one below is Hurricane Iona, and the one above it is actually risen a little bit and trying to reach land, and that is Tropical Storm Keli, and they were doing that FUJIWARA effect, okay? That's when 2 storms collide together and do a little dance. They're actually rotating on that same circle, and once they start to, they're either gonna start to merge together, or one's going to pick up more than the other. And yesterday it was reading at 140 miles per hour. You can see now here how big the waves are on that day-night model, and then we're going to go right back into the RGB models, and you can just see where that red, that lightning, that flash, that orange, all that is severe lightning, thunderstorms, rain. It's heavy rotation in those areas, so that means wind. And look at the huge waves that'll pick up. I'll show you a few more graphs that'll show you just how big I'll show you the water vapor as well, but this will just show you how thick the clouds are, how massive that ocean floor is, and how it's basically swirling around it, okay? And this is, again, you see Hawaii right above it. Those feeder bands above it is what we're concerned about. It looks small, but those are heavy, big, deep waves, okay? So you have to be aware, and I've been telling you that all week long, okay? This is the water vapor map, and you can see just how much it pushes up into Hawaii, the islands, Kona Island. You have Honolulu over there. You have many massive islands, even within that circle. We'll look at that map too. But right now we're going to talk about the United States. We have a few severe, almost severe advisories out there. They're watching it right now for the northern Rockies going into the central, kind of the Great Lakes area. So you can see that right now it's almost at like a moderate risk. Is that moderate? I think it is moderate. But anyway it goes, they're watching it, okay? So it can pick up even this afternoon to this evening. But right now I'm going to show you that it is a huge, massive, severe thunderstorm, lightning, rain that is over there or is headed its way, okay? Because this will be for the next few hours. These graphs that I show you, these models, these maps, this is the clouds above our head, the rain, the thunderstorm, the lightning, all of that above our head, okay? And this is in the Illinois area, the Missouri area, the Iowa area. Going into even Wisconsin, you're going to have some thunderstorms and lightning, okay? So just make sure that you're aware of that, because it is very severe, and then we'll talk about it later on tonight, forming to tornadoes. Going back into the Caribbean, the tropics for the Atlantic side and the Caribbean, you can see right above South America, going into Central America, Panama, Costa Rica, it's a lot bubbling up over there, okay? Very severe weather and thunderstorms, and you can see it's almost reaching up to the Gulf. And actually those lightning and thunderstorms are from yesterday's storms coming out of the Atlantic, okay, and move back over into the land, and now it's going back on shore. So right now you're going to see a lot of thunderstorms and lightning in the Gulf, a lot of heavy rainfalls going into the upper upper Mississippi Valley, the lower Mississippi Valley into Louisiana as well, and even some parts of Texas, okay? So make sure that you're aware. Stay tuned to Tiffany's content. I'm going to keep you updated. Hey, YouTube, share my videos. It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe.